Hi, I'm Cindy Meyer with Seabolt Brokers, selling a coastal lifestyle here on Tybee Island. I want to introduce you to one of our new listings, 1716 Chatham Avenue. Known as Southern Cross, this 1935 beach house is the classic Tybee raised cottage and is located on the south end of the island in a quiet neighborhood across from the back river and the Chatham and Inlet beaches. This Tybee cottage has been lovingly restored and decorated to take you back to the golden age of the coast of Georgia. Once again, I'm Cindy Meyer with Seabolt Brokers, selling a coastal lifestyle. If you've enjoyed the tour of 1716 Chatham Avenue and are interested in more information, don't hesitate to call me, 912-313-4799, or visit our Seabolt Brokers website for additional information.